Hello, all students and all learners of English, wherever you are. Welcome to today's lesson, which has to do with communication. It's very important for all of you. Uh, it's about apologizing, how to apologize, accept apology. Let's start with this situation, which is between a student and a teacher. I'm going to read the situation for you first. Student: good morning, teacher. Teacher: good morning. You are too late. Student: I'm so sorry, teacher. I missed the bus. I promise it won't be repeated. Teacher: never mind. Come and sit down. We are on page 75. Great. Now I'm going to ask you some questions, and I'd like you to pause the video to think about the answer, then replay the video to read and listen to my answer. First question: what is the student expressing to his teacher? Does he express an opinion? Of course, no. Does he make a request to his teacher? Of course, no. So what does he express? Very nice. He makes an apology to his teacher. He apologizes. Great. What does he apologize for? Very nice. He apologizes for being late to class. Excellent. Does the teacher accept or refuses the student's apology? Great. He accepts his apology. Great. Now, what expression does the student use or say to express his apology to the teacher? What is it? Excellent. It's the expression, I'm so sorry. So we're going to write this expression in the first column, which is make an apology. So to make an apology, you can use the expression, I'm so sorry. Now, what expression does the teacher use to accept the student's apology? Wonderful. Never mind. The expression never mind is usually used to accept someone's apology. The student says, I'm so sorry. The teacher says, never mind. So we're going to write the expression in the second column, which is used to accept someone's apology. Wonderful. Now, can you think of other expressions you might know that we use to make apology, to apologize? When you make a mistake, when you do something wrong. Can you think about them? I'm sure you can have an idea of that. Yeah? Very nice. Just the expression, I'm sorry. Very common. I'm sorry. Everybody knows this expression. Great. Or you can use an intensifier with this expression, like in the first one, I'm so sorry. Or you can use I'm terribly sorry. Yeah, you can use other intensifiers like I'm very sorry, or I'm badly sorry, or extremely sorry. I'm awfully sorry. Okay. Or another expression, great. I'm sorry. about this. Sorry about this. I'm sorry about that. Yeah, any other expressions? Great. I apologize. By the way, apologize is the verb and apology is the noun. It's the difference between the two words. And it's written with S or with Z. It's just a matter of British or American spelling. Don't worry about that too much. Great. Another expression we can use is I apologize for. As you can say, I'm sorry for. Remember, in these two cases, after the preposition for, you can use either gerund, we studied in the first unit, or a noun. You can say, for example, I'm sorry for the mess I made, or I'm sorry for the delay. In this case, it's noun. Or I'm sorry for breaking your phone, or for forgetting to call you, or something like that. So after for, you can use either gerund, verb in the infinitive, plus ing, like coming, like breaking, forgetting, or just a noun. Yeah, I guess. Yeah, there are other expressions we can use, like my apologies. Or my sincere apologies. Okay, these are very common ones. Now, let's move to accepting apology. What other expressions you might have heard about we use to accept someone's apology? Very nice. We can use the expression don't worry, very common one. Other expression? It doesn't matter. Great. Another? It's okay. Yeah, very common one. Another one? No problem. Yeah? Any other expressions we can use? Okay, let's say that's enough. Now let's move to practice the lesson. Great. Here are two examples. So the first one, the first situation in a restaurant. It's a dialogue between a customer and a waiter. The customer says, "Excuse me, waiter, I ordered pizza, but you served me pasta." So it's quite clear that the waiter has made a mistake. The customer ordered pizza, wanted to eat pizza, not pasta, and the waiter gave him, put on his table, pasta. What's the waiter supposed to do? Excellent. He's supposed to apologize. He's supposed to make apology. He's going to use one of these expressions here. He's going to say, for example, I'm sorry for this. I'm sorry about this. For example, I'm so sorry about this. And let me tell you that a complete apology is one in which you use the expression of apologizing, and it's preferred, it's complete when you add a reason. Like in our case, the student says, "I'm sorry." The reason he gives is that he missed the bus. And you might also give a promise. The student promises that it won't be repeated. So a complete apology is the one that consists of an expression of apologizing plus a reason and or promise, or just either. You can just give the expression with a promise or expression with a reason, or with both. So the waiter would say, "I'm sorry about this," and he might give a promise. He would say, for example, "I'll change it for you. I'll change it for you right now. I'll change for you quickly," So he's apologizing and giving a promise. The customer is usually or normally supposed to accept apology. When someone apologizes, you are supposed to accept apology. He's going to say, for example, don't worry, or no problem. He might say something else, but just the expression is enough in this case. Great. Switch number 2 with a friend. Your friend says, I invited you to my sister's wedding, but you didn't show up. Show up is a phrasal verb, by the way, which means you didn't come. Okay, you didn't attend. So here you are in a situation where you are supposed to apologize because you didn't go to your friend's sister's wedding and he invited you to that. You're going to use an expression of I'm making an apology. Let's say, for example, I apologize. I apologize. Let's use the expression for not attending. Remember, it's a gerund here. For not attending your sister's wedding. And you may give a reason. For example, I was really sick. Okay, this is a very common excuse that all people give in these cases. Or I was too busy. Okay, for example, I was really sick. Now, your friend is supposed to accept your apology because you are apologizing and giving a reason. It's going to say, don't worry, for example. Don't worry. Another time perhaps. Or he might say, I hope you feel better now. Because you told him that you were really sick. He might say, don't worry, I hope you feel better now. That's the lesson. In brief again. Thank you very much for watching. And see you next time with another new lesson. Bye for now.